right, guys, here we are at Teardown. I haven't seen this many cars in Teardown in a long time. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have Jim Boudreau. He was number 2 qualifier, 3 qualifier, as the sheets have been posted real late. Randy Akins. Billy Nees' car, driven by Doug Hoven. I think it's Hudo over there on the Corvette. We got the Dan Williams from England. They're getting torn apart again. Then we got Booth. I'm not sure which one is. Both of them are in here. Okay, both the Booths are in here. I don't know who's driving what. And then I don't know who the A car is. Trumbull. Well, I think it is. Yeah. So I guess that's it, guys. I just figured I'd show you, do a quick video of Teardown. I think Superstock is in the afternoon. I don't know what they're checking. I don't know if they're pulling cylinder heads. I think they are, but I'm not sure. I don't want to film in there because that's, that's kind of being private. I don't really want to do something that's, guys just don't want people looking at their engines. I'm not going to do that. But I think it's kind of cool, and it's just a short video, but I want to show you that tech is on it. And yesterday, guys, there was, after all the class runs, cars were being pulled in here left and right for throttle bodies. They were checking the fuel-injected cars for traction control devices, and they were checking cylinder head part numbers. I think it takes 2. So, all right, guys, that's it for now. All right, guys, a quick note. The cars that are in the barn here are getting cylinder heads taken off. The cars that were out here, well, they're mostly gone now, are they were just checking carbs, part numbers. They wanted the valve cover off, checking carbs, and if they were fuel injected, they were checking your if you had traction control or any, how it was hooked up right. Not the jet traction control, but if you had anything going to the ECU, to the drive shaft. So these guys are all cylinder heads. Boudreau, Randy Akins, Doug Hoven, and Mr. Hudo. All right, guys. Hey guys, I want to put this in 2 videos. So my second part of the video is Superstock Teardown. Now you don't see a lot out here because they did most of the Superstockers as far as just, well, we got Cody here. Sorry, Cody. My brain is shot. We have Brandon. He likes to be called Brody, but Brandon's car's got to be checked. Just throttle body and some electronics and stuff like that. But we got more Superstockers in here. And it's a shame Randy's still here with the 5.0 because that's a lot to take apart and put together. And then we have another Superstocker here. So I think we have one more Superstocker coming in that has to have the cylinder heads looked, but these are cylinder heads in here. Out here are just throttle bodies, carburetors, and that kind of stuff. So that's tech, guys. And you see my post about Dan Williams. It's really a shame. I just wish there was more consistency about Teardown. You guys might differ, but 2 small holes in a carburetor, a throttle plate is not a performance advantage, performance gain. It's just a shame. But that's Teardown, guys, and they're on it this weekend.